Hey, I have here the Hummingbird MK14. Of course, I like going nice and low. Let's see here. Let's just take it up. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, so you're going to be able to make some nice lines there. I don't have a mirror here currently. I don't want to cut my ear off. The MK14 features 20 built-in length settings with no clipper guard swaps. This thing will work for all of it. The dynamic trim dial adjusts 0.5 millimeter to 10 millimeter for ultra precise grooming. You can shape your stubble, sculpt your beards, or even get those nice edge clean lines without the mess of multiple attachments. Again, the guard comes off very easily, like so. It goes back in. You got these little clips right here, little grooves. Slide that down. Boom, it's in there. I mean, it doesn't get any easier. Smart display, travel lock. You know, you get your battery level meter right there, so you always know how much you're charged. USB-C charging comes with this great braided cable and the charger. Of course, you got your travel case. If you lose it, your power, it's easy to charge. You know, use your cell phone charger. 80 minutes of cordless use with this bad boy. You know, what else can I say? Waterproof. You can throw it under the sink after you're done and clean it all up. You don't have to worry about ruining this by getting water on it. The dial, it's on both sides. Look at that. I mean, both sides. That is awesome. And you can just watch that go up. Hear all that? I like it. Hey, if you're looking for your beard trimmer, why not give Hummingbird MK14 a try? It's got great ergonomics, feels good, waterproof. One guard does it all. Adjustments, 0.5 to 10 mil. Battery meter, right there digitally. Smart display. It even locks for travel. Give them a shot. I like it, but I'm not going to be doing my beard for a little while because winter's on the way. But, you know, to keep it nice and sharp under here and around the sides, this will do it.